And I want to tell you something too. I get some footage, but it's not too clear. Of some movements that are going over there. Just before you reach one little entrance there. You have about 2 coconut trees before you reach down at the canal. I see some movements on one of the surveillance camera them. It look like some bodies have got through the little part there. But I don't have nothing clear, so that is why I don't even forward back and say nothing to you. Because it is bad. I try tapping at one of the little surveillance camera them, but I not get nothing to you proper. But like I said, I still depend on it. How your side stay? It's still hot over there?
It kinda tense, but look at general them kinda have a grip on it certain way. But it's still treacherous, can go anywhere. You see? But guess what? You see that little something there? The office location. Yeah, you know, say. Them brother they work hard, like, you know. And if that bigger project can happen, the office is a safe bet.
Which is right. There's a bird, you know, I do some work for already too, you know. But like I say, my livication, because I don't even want to say dedication, my livication is to inner city people. You know? So you say anybody when I do nothing for uplift inner city people, I'm not too far with them, you know what I mean? So from you say do so, let's go do so, brother. You get what I say? You get the info to you, man. But you are king. One whole a reason you're different this thing. A little general. I know. I juggle some weed over your side. See? Link me. I give him strength, but it's a youth, I'm rate him energy. I want you give a lookout for him, you know. See?
Yeah.
It's a dancer youth, I know, man. Yeah, man.
A dancer.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Oh, I'm wearing here.
Locks, man.
I know how you talk, man. Whisper, I'm a local general. So any strength to him is a strength to me.
Yeah, man. So like when you tell me say over your side, but they don't tell him already say, like a link with you, you know, because you're the man who can give him a strength card. I don't want him over there and a new face go see him, or go see him and think him is a new face and move to him, you know. And you don't know what going on the other day with your like a general there. Yeah. So I just want to know say I'm alright. You know what I mean? Because like I say, it's a youth and I rate him energy. Yeah, man, and I supply him some more know because of the highest grade I give him, you know. So I tell you, say, I'm going to lock off everything over that thing. Because you don't know my style already.
Okay. So you are the supplier. And I want to tell you, say, the little soldier where you and him go at it the other day. He my the favorite customer.
Your sight. And I'm me the man want this. And I'm me a supply the highest grade over that. Let me tell you something, King, man. You see the grades on me I drop now. They're gonna make.
Yeah, baby.
Ah, right on time, sweetie.
Antigen, enough respect in the man.
Yeah, man. So she a win beneath my wings, right?
So good luck.
I tell you about your words, you know, your choice of words.
No, and you bring out the best of me, I swear. When they be around you, when the words them come, you don't even know where them come from. You deserve to. You get fine, sir.
What do you think?
Alright, baby.
You're the real general, you know. When Miss Jen forward boy at the first time, every man want to make a move after her, you know. But you win, because you're the king.
And you know the funny thing? I was probably the only man but decides say I never intend to make a move. I joined the race.
What them say? Real no?
Real.
Exactly.
Well, Mr. Wallace, I think it's time I visit your palace.